First of all, like Jerry said, I'm not in each of all. I'm in the Welcome Group hotel business. But my knowledge is also from each of us through media like you have. I won't get into the semantics of CSR, etc. I think it's a social business concept that we have got into, right? Let's be very, very clear on that. And in the process of creating a new model, if you help out people, there's nothing wrong in that. And Jerry rightly said, it's very difficult to get rid of poverty. And what's happening in each of all, for the benefit of those of you who don't know the final nuances of each of all. If I was a farmer pre-each of all days, I sowed the seeds or put the fertilizer in the morning. I didn't know what the weather was in the afternoon. The rain came, washed off my seeds or fertilizer. I became poorer by 2,000 or 3,000 rupees. If I harvested my crops, I took it the next day to the mandi, hoping that I'll get 100 rupees a kilo, but when I landed up there, I got 80 rupees a kilo. But having taken it 30 kilometers away, I don't take it back. And I don't get paid for the transportation also. Right? And in the past, nobody gave me best farming practices. What has each of all done? It has created a system through the digital spine whereby we give three kinds of knowledge to farmers. Met forecast, pricing movement, and best farming practices. In pricing, we give them price of Chicago too. What's the logic? The logic is that when prices of products change in Chicago, there's a cascading effect in the global economy. And therefore, the farmer has the choice of selling his product based on the timing or increase in price, which he didn't have earlier. Through this process, as opposed to earning whatever he was earning earlier, now the earnings have gone up by 10 to 30%. Now in the past, the farmer used to go in different directions to buy his goods. Diesel from this side, fertilizers from somewhere and all that. Now created a mechanism of creating rural malls. We are surfeit of malls in this particular place, but we have not created malls which are required for the rural people at the price point that they want. So the products which are available are at a price point which they want, and through this malls that we have created, many companies have joined us because they do not have a rural reach to sell those products. They are selling the products through our reach. And in these malls, we've also created telemedicine facilities for them. Because sometimes people have some very minor kind of illness and they land up spending 1,000 or 2,000 rupees going to the city. Whereas through teleconference, they get to know what the problem is and the problem solved in 10 or 15 rupees. And now, on this digital spine, we are laying a lot of education material inside. Then, there are low-cost devices available for drip irrigation. Please remember, climate change is a big challenge which is there in the radar screen, which we have not internalized. So now we are allowing the farmers to adopt drip irrigation technologies because only 2% of the countries under drip irrigation kit. And we have set up close to 100 demonstration plants. We are not selling these drip irrigation kits. We are saying, here is technology which is available at 1/10 the cost of Israeli technology. Go ahead and use it. So the point that I'm trying to make is that here's a beautiful model which can load with the right kind of information for the farmers and scale up and improve their lifestyle. Yes.
Thank you, the ideology where it started was very nice. It went on to be known as IDC Ichopal, still known as that.
Correct.
But unfortunately, it's 100% funded by Government of India.
True.
That's the bad fact.
Like EMR, right? I'm as critical of all these initiatives as you are.
It's no more a business responsibility.
Like I said,
I don't know aware of that.
I think what Niranjan said kind of tells about the empowerment they are doing. I'm also critical of these arrangements, but the point is that you need to engage, like I said. Yeah, and I've been confronting all my life, and I think slowly I'm learning.
Where is IGC's initiative in there?
To give you an example. No, it's okay. But last year, CII was doing something.
It's my money government is using to fund Ichopal. I'm a taxpayer. It's my money.
I appreciate.
And they're earning from me as well by selling me cigarettes. How about that?
But that's your choice.
No. That's what we're discussing here.
I would like to add.
Yes. I'm just playing a devil's advocate. Don't think what I say as the gospel truth. Hopefully,
which we presented last week, and we had contacted a lot of colleagues. We had presented it from MDR, Professor Jyotsna Bhattacharya.
Right.
We had presented it, but we had
let me just sum this up with a small example. I was back to the Public Health Foundation of India. Now, ISP, people who come out of ISP have a ready ecosystem to go to, so they can afford to pay a 16 lakh or a 20 lakh fee and get a 1 crore as a package, which is unfortunately not happening anymore. But at that time, around 2 years ago, they were. So I said public health, nobody will understand the concept of public health, right? I mean, you don't understand prevention in this country at all. It's all about firefighting. But we need the money, and we need to see how a sustainable model is concerned. So we want to build world-class societies. So the basic thing was that we'll get a lot of grants, because there are a lot of pharma companies and a lot of other companies which want to give money to look good. And that's where I said that then we need to have an ethical fundraising policy, right? And happy to say that in that policy it was covered that you wouldn't ever take money from any company like Coca-Cola, because there's conflict of interest, or from ITC, even though they were relatively low. Can't take it. Even from Welcome Group we can't take, those are not in the business of tobacco, because there is a direct implication to health, right? So that's where you need to come in. You need to come in not from a personal viewpoint, but from a holistic viewpoint of how do you contain that conflict of interest, and how do you... Sure. We didn't take money from a mining company. They were ready to join the 10 crore club. Yeah, but we said, you're actually damaging the environment in Odisha, spoiling the health of the community around there. So pray, how can you be eligible to kind of fund a public health institute? Right? So if you didn't have a policy in place, that money would have come in. And, so that's what. So you need to, so the conflict of interest has been factored into the process. And that's the whole idea. So I don't know what the list is going to look like finally. I was just giving an example of each of us by saying that, like you said, it may have started off as a good mission. I don't know where it's gone now. Yeah. But, it's not for a few people where somebody's got to audit it. And, we've got to audit checks and balances and understand how it comes out. Yeah. Sure. Okay.
So, first of all, when we talk about and we discuss, so one thing is that is the important livelihood that they will be that they will be well. We need to empower mentally, spiritually, socially, financially, each part of their future.
True, absolutely agree. With full dignity.
Nepal is a very good example. It's a very good model. Let us appreciate that. Where the community is getting benefited, and the corporate is also getting benefited. But there will always be certain kinds of initiatives where there is no business interest. I will give Maruti's examples. We have adopted 4 ITIs in Haryana. So the objective is to upgrade them to a level where the students who come out of ITIs, they are directly employable. So we need that kind of manpower. So to some extent those ITIs will help us also, and they will become employable for other industry also, other corporates also. There's another program which we have launched, like we have one manufacturing plant in Manesar. There are villages around Manesar plant. So we adopted 4 villages. So there we have launched a program, Naukri Ki Pathshala, where we don't have any interest in that. So the objective of those